Alright, here we are underneath the truck. We'll update. I left one bolt out because dropped the damn nut in the frame. Can't get it. We'll put it in later. Cross member in. Shift cable right there. It's going to go back in right here. It's going to go back in. I got a plug right here, but we'll figure that out. It's the goes to the neutral safety switch, but I've got the plug on the 5.3 harness that we won't be using this plug, or we might. I don't know. Anyway, we might have to splice into it with the 5.3 harness. The 5.3 harness has got another plug on it though. 6-pin. Whereas that one's just a 5-pin. Huh. Pretty tight in here, but header will come down there on that side. Old pen's easy. Oh shit, I dented my oil filter. Damn. It sucks. They gotta get you somewhere, huh? Anyway, I'm gonna put the suspension cover back on. I'll try to get over here and get over here and show where I notched the frame. It's hard to see it, but it clears very nice. Yeah. That one's right there on that side. Hopefully it won't be too bad to pipe out. Oh, nice. I can get to the crank sensor from right here to plug it up. That's nice. I'm gonna get back out and show you the top. All right. And then up front, we had to make a steering shaft. It's where the upper collar will focus. What the hell? Focus. Okay. To make a steering shaft. And I put the accessory bracket on. Pump clears the box. Like a good hand's worth. I even routed a belt around it, tested belt's not gonna hit anything. Had to put a bend in this hard line where the union goes in for the high side. I just put vice grips on this and put a big crescent wrench on this and bent it about 35 degree, I guess. High sides in and return sides in. Doesn't have to look pretty, it just has to work. Right here you can't really see it, but there's the steering shaft knuckle assembly. Like, I guess I'm calling it a knuckle, it's not really a knuckle. It's in coil pack zone right here. I get a pinky's worth in between the coil and the brake booster, so we're fine. Got my plug wires on. I'm gonna get some of that high temp insulator crap for the back one there, because it's damn near about a 1/16 of an inch off the header. I've got the steering shaft I made right here. There's the sleeve, the factory sleeve on the end there. Just gonna slide on the sleeve off the column. It'll slide up so much that I can get this, I'll put a shoulder on it to slide into another sleeve that's at the knuckle assembly. I'm calling it a knuckle. I know it's not a knuckle. But even so, I only have about 1/8 of an inch in between header and steering shaft. Right here, I hit right here. I don't anymore, but I did, and I'm gonna let it ride. Next thing to do is to get intake cleaned up, rip this tape off. Install the other plug wires. Once I get the intake on, I can plug everything up sensor wise, and then I can go into the box and use, well, factory harness is over here. I'll use this block and use these wires to tap in for everything for the motor, hopefully. Everything except for the electric fans and maybe the TCC relay. Other than that, she's coming along nice. So far everything's clearing just right, and that's where we're at with it. Things still left to buy. Probably a hater hose bypass for this right here, and radiator lines, hoses. Probably bolts and stuff along the way for random crap, like it always is. There's always something. Man, they get you for something no matter what it is. Like earlier, I bought 3 bolts, a lock washer, a washer, and 3 nuts, and it was $8. So that's where I'm at with it. Till next time, y'all.